The same Smyth imports. It's not nearly 3,000. We're going through it, restoring it. Mainly more like part by part. The aluminum hoods, this is about the best fitting you're going to get with the louvers. The original hoods don't fit any better than these anyway, too, if you look. But as you can see, this car is flawless, other than maybe a little bit of spider webs. Very little bit of spider on the chroming. Did the deck lid too, it's all aluminum. Yeah, and that's the way it fits. These gaps on British cars are not the same as like the German cars were back in their day. And you can see the original interior in this car. It's in mint condition. Now that's going to be coming out because we've got to get some heat resistant stuff down, heat resistant, and we've got to get, we're going to be cutting these fenders, concerned about heat, because there's another venting piece that can go into the fenders. We're going to go on and do that. This is the best you can put back on the original. When you take this, when you pull these down, they will indent some. This is the best, and they all, if you look at all the Healeys, some of them are close on one side, some are far away on the other side. There's no right or wrong, so there's the perfections of these cars are not, I mean, they're a true raw sports car. But if you look down the sides of this car, it's super, super clean. We've done the wheel wells now. We reshot these. We ice blasted the undercarriage. Let me take it up so you can see. You can see how well we've done these wheel wells and how we're detailing the underneath of the car. See the back half here? All the framework went over. I need to get my chair. Lift doesn't go up high enough to, then you can see the frame pieces and the frame rails. And you can see the sealer where we went on the seams. Now it's going to go back. This has been all, as you can see, all completely stripped and pressured. But it's going to go get back and get painted. We've got all the correct fuel pump. Get rid of the Japanese pump and upgrades for everything. We've got a 5-speed box to go in it. Get rid of that, and then apparently we're going to have to make the drive shaft, I understand. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. As you can see, we've got everything super, super clean. A little bit there where it could have used some more paint, but that's okay. Like I said, it's going to go back. This is all dried up really good. Rock hard finish. We needed to get it to that point. So all this stuff takes a little bit of time to get it to wear in. You can see the undercarriage where we had it all steam cleaned and everything all taken off. Now, once we get the grill out, or not the grill with the engine, we'll send it over and have it more glass beaded, and then we'll do more detail where we couldn't get to things. So anyway, you get the idea here. I mean, it's at this point for this year car, any of these cars that are built in the 50s and 60s that look this good, really hard to find. You can see it all up in the seams. We'll get the covers off and run another video on it with the wheels off, so you can really get a good look. But you can see how it's all filled in, it's all rock hardened. And then we've got to get more detail in the corners, but that's okay. Right now it's all set up. We're going to take this and piece and we'll shoot it white. It's supposed to be white, that heat resistant. That's it. So anybody want to see a Healey, this is the correct way to see it and see the quality of it. Now we're all set to tear it apart. So we're going to have Patrick on it and get it all done. Anyway, we're at Same Smyth Imports here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Give us a call. Got a European car, we'll be happy to help you and work with you any way we can. Thanks, bye.